There's this YouTube channel that doesn't show anybody's face and it makes over $250,000 per month with animation. You don't believe me? Check this out. It's this channel here that you obviously heard about already, and most likely you're one of the subscribers. Over the past 30 days, this channel has over 60 million views, and according to Social Blade, on a daily basis makes anywhere between $8,000 to $14,000 per day. That's over $2 million per year with just Google AdSense. Now, I did say that they make over $250,000 for the month. That's true, because this is just one revenue stream. They have a few of them, which we will get to in a little bit. But how do they make so much money on YouTube? How does Kurzgesagt Yeah, so how do they make so much money? Is it because of this style of animation? With all of these different scenes, transitions, special effects? Maybe it does have a little bit to do with it, but I think a lot of it is the value that they provide in the videos, the entertainment factor, and the curiosity that their audience has that they fulfill in these videos. But the people behind this money-making channel are really smart humans. Because not only the content is really good, but they also play the YouTube game really well. Because you probably might say, sure, they have 18 million subscribers, that's why they get so many views. If you realize it's similar to Mr. Beast type content in that almost every single video goes viral. There are recent videos here with 16 million views, 17 million views, 10 million views. And they pick topics that are trending, so it gets a lot of views. But it's not just trending topics, like something that is trending this week and not trending next week. Evergreen topics that people are searching up on a daily basis that has a lot of searches. So it's like evergreen trending, is that a thing? Now, the other thing that's really important are their thumbnails. Just have a look at some of these. You just have to click. I don't see thumbnails like these on any channels. It's pretty much like art, but with a high curiosity factor. Look at this one, giant virus. If this shows up in your feed, I think it'll be pretty hard not to click it. Which is why after 6 months, this video still gets 495 views per hour. And it's definitely not the only video like this. Using the vidIQ trending tab, have a quick look at the videos with the highest velocity, which is views per hour. 29,000 views per hour, 16,000 views per hour, 3,000 views per hour. And yes, you saw correct. These last two videos are from 2 to 3 years ago, getting 16,000 views per hour. And if you like analytics like this, you can install the vidIQ tool for free. There's a link in the description below that you can check out. And the truth is, not only are the thumbnails extremely clickable, but once you get in, the videos are just overall a great production with top-notch music and amazing voiceover that makes you feel you're looking at a high-end BBC documentary.
This series will celebrate
The crazy part is that their theories really do get you thinking. So we've established so far that they make up to $250,000 for the month in AdSense. How else do they make money? Have a look in the description on this most recent video, which just happens to be number 29 on trending. The first link in the description is an affiliate link to NordVPN, where they've arranged an exclusive deal for their viewers with a risk-free 30-day money-back guarantee. NordVPN is a virtual private network that allows you to protect yourself and your data online and can open up access to different types of content that is geographically restricted. And there are several types of paid plans: 1 month, 1 year, 2 year, with different costs associated. And this is the NordVPN affiliate program page where anybody could become an affiliate. Well, let's just look at a scenario here. In this first option here for a 1-month offer, for every new sign-up, they would get 100%. And if somebody was renewing through their link, they would get 30%. Using the new sign-up option with 100% commission. Using this most recent video alone as an example, this video has over 4 million views so far. Let's say just 0.1% of that 4 million, which is 4,000. Multiplied by this $11.99 1-month plan. That will give you an average total of $47,960 that they've earned from this one video alone. And that's not the only thing they have for sale in there. In their description, there's also a link to their shop where you can conveniently explore their bestsellers. And just using the average from these top 5 products here, which is probably around $15.90. Using the same statistics of 0.1% of people, which is 4,000 people who made a purchase of the average $15.90, that would give you $63,000. And that $63,000 is plus the $50,000 from the affiliate marketing link to the VPN service, which is $110,000 extra so far. But there's one more. There's a link here to their Patreon page. Using the 3 different membership levels, let's use the $2 per month as the average. They have over 15,000 patrons. So if you just multiply 15,000 patrons times $2 per month, that's now $110,000 plus this $30,000, which is now $140,000 plus this $250,000, which works up to roughly $390,000 to $400,000 for the month that they could be making. But the reality is that it could possibly be even more than that. Because remember, the affiliate links to the VPN as well as to the store is just from this one video. There are still all of these other videos that are getting a lot of views per month. And just like this one, they all have affiliate links in them. I know you're probably saying this is really good for Kurzgesagt. But what does it mean for you? So now here's how you could start doing videos similar to these and immediately start monetizing them as well, just like they're doing. First off, let's look at how you can make one of these videos. I found this guy called Zino, who made a video on how you can learn to draw just like that using, believe it or not, only paint. But after looking at some of this video, I'm starting to think it's not real. Or is it real? Maybe it is. Okay, so that one is not real, but it was quite entertaining. This one, however, is real, and it shows how you can do this type of animation using only PowerPoint. As you can see right here, it's a detailed tutorial on how you can recreate that scene. And I will link to that tutorial in the description below. But you probably don't have to do the animation just like they do because they're already doing it like that. There are reasonably priced alternatives that are really easy to use, drag and drop, like this Create Studio app here, where the interface is really straightforward and the method of animating is pretty easy. Or if you had some money to spare for a project like this, you can head over to a site just like Fiverr, search for animation, and hire one of these top-rated freelancers to do your animation, just like this one here. And once you get your video done, the animation done, you should try to make money from it the same way that they do. Success leaves clues, right? And they seem to be making a lot of money by promoting a VPN service, create an offering merch for sale, as well as having a Patreon page. That, of course, is in addition to this $15,000 to $250,000 for the month with AdSense. But I think that really comes down to making good content, posting consistently. And the truth is that you will not make money from the beginning from YouTube AdSense, because of course there are requirements. But you could make money from the very beginning with affiliate marketing, as well as selling your own merchandise. And I do have a video right here where I show you in just a few clicks how you can set up a print-on-demand store, and how you can really use your YouTube channel to drive traffic to the store. So I'll see you over there.